cafes and found this. Going to be this, but hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to the westmost of Thailand. One of the famous restaurants here in this city. We're having lunch. The carrots outside. It's really cute. After a long road trip, we stopped at this Gobua Southern Thai restaurant, and I know what you're thinking, Annie, you're going to the West. But in my opinion, Southern food has one of the most savory tastes for my taste buds, and I just love it. And we found this restaurant with high Google reviews, so we decided to give it a try, and it didn't disappoint. And then we checked in at a nearby hotel in Ratchaburi. You see us. Do a little room tour. So really simple. This is the rack for clothes. It's the bathroom. It's just really clean and nice. The bed. Got a sofa here. TV. Ratchaburi is a really small town, so you see there is not even one skyscraper. Right now we're staying at Bisma Ratchaburi Hotel. It's a really cute, simple and minimal. Last week we went to Phueng during the weekend, so I didn't completely unpack. I just switched the dirty clothes out and then the new clothes in, and that's it.
มันเดินมันใครนำมันเดิน
We are here. We drove in pretty deep in the woods and we found this box. Oh, this is scary. No, that's the end of the walkway. I cannot. It's like I'm in some kind of the industrial cave. I just love how isolated this place is. It totally exceeded my expectations. Like the tunnel thingy that leads to the cafe area, guys, is absolutely stunning. Feels like I'm traveling to another world. Okay, I mean, I exaggerated a bit. We explored the area, took some pictures, and then headed inside because I couldn't wait to grab another cup of coffee. I just couldn't get enough of this place. Look at the openness of this space. I mean, warning, in a few minutes you will see me totally nerd out over this place. Hey guys, we are at SOP Cafe, which stands for Sense Place. Oh my gosh, they just turned on the lights, you guys. So pretty. Can I try? Thank you. The reality of it. Look how cozy this space is. I just love minimal decorations on the trees and how it reflects the sunlight, and I just blink at you once in a while. I really want to take a walk outside. Look at how big this door is. We stayed till the golden hour and headed to the light festival. This is like a fake Louis Vuitton Vivian mascot. I don't like this Vivian, guys. That's a restaurant. So this is our track and we're gonna do a little exercise here. These are the rates. This is adults and this is the elderly. This is for kids, so we have to pay 300 baht. And that's fake vegan. There is also like a Thai traditional costume renting place here. Something like this. So if you rent the Thai costume, it's gonna be like that, like this. It's really pretty though, but I'm not gonna wear that because. Let's go. This is the Thai costume renting place. Traditional Thai costume for kids. So cute. I'm not gonna wear a Thai traditional costume. I wore those when I was doing a school performance when I was in middle school. Okay guys, this is one of the best kept secrets travel spots out near Bangkok, but maybe it's not gonna be a secret anymore, which is fine. We're in the tulip field. Like tulip field. Ooh, okay, it gets better, guys. Yeah. It's Friday, so luckily there are only a handful of people here, but there are a lot of mosquitoes, and we are the only victims here. We had fun walking around. At one point, we stumbled upon this Thai dessert kiosk I've never heard, I've never seen before. This dessert called gapmani. These are like the toppings. I didn't think they would go well together, but it did. This dessert combo tasted way better than I expected. I was amazed. Southern dessert. Shredded ice.
Delicious.
What's the temperature right now?
I think 24.
Currently 29. They also have like this kind of small market over here. It's doing a selfie. Dim sum. This light festival has the distinctive subtle Thai charm to it in the way they arrange the light festival integrated with Buddha or the temple. The park has several installation checkpoints, so we kept walking non-stop to avoid being bitten by mosquitoes. And there are a lot of people wearing Thai costumes and doing photo shoots around this place. Also, Sen decided to try one of those gambling games, which I'm not a fan of because I feel like they're scam. But yeah, I had to do it. Guys, you can pick one. This one, this one, this one. Okay, this one. We got number 9. Guys, this is a scam. I only got like 5 baht drinks and got a freaking low quality tissue paper. And then onto another game. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's fine. Let's go inside, guys. But I think I'm going to die soon because mosquitoes are sucking the blood out of me. Their music is like a soundtrack to my life right now. Let's make you a protagonist of this movie. I don't know how to explain it, but imagine you're taking a walk and the field of light surrounds you as far as you can see it. It just feels so magical, except the fact that there are also mosquitoes that walk along you as well. So make sure to put on anti-mosquito spray or whatever you have and just enjoy. He's trying to do something. We are having dinner at this place. It's also in this area. Afterward, we had dinner at this Italian restaurant inside the park, and the food was okay, nothing special. We're at the market, guys. We're in the car, and I'm so glad I'm safe from all the mosquitoes outside. Local market. We're at the local market. It's really local. I definitely prefer Hua Hin night market over this. Alright guys, I just got my face mask on and I'm going to go in bed, watch Ozark with my BF. After that I'll do just a usual skincare routine, nothing special. Oh my gosh, it stinks. Also, I have Keeping Up with the Kardashians on. It's the old seasons, but I just felt like the room was too quiet. Their voices just fill up the space and yeah. I'm still waiting for my mask to like get transparent, but Sen is getting his late night snacks. Hey guys, I'm at the lobby. I'm so excited because I really want to go to the farm and see the animals. I love looking at them and talking to them as if they understand me, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoy today. I look like a Pinterest board.
I have a call into Jim Reynolds. Good. And then somehow we have to turn Omar Navarro into a model citizen.
I'm not going to have like a full breakfast. I'm just having a cup of coffee and that's it. I'm doing a sleep run today. As usual, wearing my mom's jeans jacket, borrowed. Alright, let's go. We are here at Makam Cafe, which is like cafe with a lot of homemade activities and workshops. But we just came here ahead of the time. Yeah, we have to wait for another 10 minutes because it's still closed, guys. And it's really windy here, very dusty. So right now, this says closed, but in Thai, if you add that letter there, it means open. Fit check. The atmosphere here is so cute and so crafty. There are different of art workshops you can join here, you can do here. But first, we ordered drinks and breakfast for Sen, and we're gonna do a little bit of coffee test as well. And yeah, look at these souvenirs. They're all handmade stuff, and this Christmas tree is so crafty, so cute. Outside there are these ceramics. I believe they are for sale. Oh yeah, that's for sale sign. I just saw it. And these are the beads. We are going to do bead workshop. For bracelet, it's 100 baht per piece per person, and for necklaces, 180 baht. So guys, we are thinking about doing bead workshop. You can paint pots, blaster plate, and also crayon. The weather is so nice here. Oh, that's my coffee. No one's here yet. Just love having a place for myself. Just got my second coffee. Let's do a taste test. Now we got our drinks and Sen got his breakfast, and now it's crafty time. I'm going to go for neutral. These are the tone that I picked. Hey guys, so I just got my beads and these are the colors that I chose at the moment. OCD guy. I'm trying to choose the colors that I like. I'm just going to rock it and then see how it goes. Mine so far. Favorite color. It's so hard to sort these colors out. I'm trying to find these transparent ones at white. So I'm trying to create these aesthetically pleasing. And that's it. Very islander. Well done, guys. Thai. So let me try to... I'm gonna take some out. So I actually want something like this. I'm almost done, so maybe a few inches. Next, we visited Opoi Market, which I believe is a tribal market. There were lots of handmade items and food from the local communities here on this hill. There are a lot of food kiosks, and I was a little bit hungry because I haven't had anything since the morning except 2 cups of coffee. So we went on a mini food hunt on my lead. And then I found my childhood favorite, khanom Phueng, but wow, that's a handful of feelings. And this is also one of my childhood favorites, which is khao kiap pak mo. And I don't know how to explain it, but I love it since I was a kid until now. The yummiest. We then bring our food and sit next to this waterfall, and the ambience was immaculate. I'm a bit hungry, so haven't had breakfast. So I'm going to have this. I don't know if you guys know this. This is also my favorite Thai food. Like the flour outside is really soft and squishy. Inside is like a really sweet, nutty, and salty filling. I'm gonna cut that out anyway. The opposite side of his place has more of like handmade commodities, a small Thai instrument performance, and massage area. I was drawn to a local cocoa products, which we bought as souvenirs for our family as well. And then we stopped by this candle village where candles are the main attraction of this place. So this is a ticket. How much was it? They use them for everything, like for the sculptures, even on the walls. Leave. The restroom here is really cute. And guess who's here? Phueng. As we walked up the hill, there's this souvenir shop for candles. They're full of different kind of candles. They made it look very vintage. We were walking around and it's just so fun to see these candles in different shapes and forms. It's just like I'm in some kind of tribal toy store. So candles. What's that? Oh my gosh. All sorts of candles. So as you can see here, we are at Suan watermelon. I love the structure. And as you continue walking up, there's this candle workshop that you can attend. You can also create a sculpture of either sheep or alpaca, something like that. You guys know Thai popsicle? It's actually just a normal popsicle. It's like traditional ice cream. I'm having Coca-Cola. This is like a vintage Thai aesthetic. It's a game area. I'm talking so weirdly because I'm so scared right now because we're walking on this thing and it just feels like, oh my gosh. So as you can see there, that's a noodle shop. I don't know, I'm trying to ignore that structure because that's the structure that we are standing on right now. I'm gonna get this view real quick and then I'm gonna go back. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. So hot.
You mean me?
So we were on the top just now and I know we're going back. I have to walk down this alley. Subscribe. We had lunch at Kuratale Hupkao after seeing a lot of great reviews on Google, and the ingredients were fresh, but we thought the dishes were way too sweet compared to the savory variety we had at Korbo restaurant, the first one. And then we headed straight to the Scenery Vintage Farm, which is one of this hill's most well-known attractions. I've seen it all over the net, and I was so excited to visit. We're at the Scenery Vintage Farm. Super cute. There were so many people, kids, and screaming sheep everywhere. Easy!
Enough.
Hi! Wait! Calm down! She's so cute. Guys, we are going to feed. We are going to go feed more sheep. This is like a buffet party. There's also a cafe. What did you get?
Orange soda.
Alright guys, we're going to see Shepherd Dog Show. There is this part of the farm that has like cafes and also a seating area. It's the ice cream that we got for free from our ticket. Oh, I just saw it's a sheep with a Christmas hat. Hello, Vicky. He's munching on the string. He looks like a goat king up there. It's lunchtime, Mr. Goat, and then send his food up. Someone let the baby goats loose here. So cute. And then we ended the day with games to release our rage. Left-handed guy. Here for an early dinner. Yeah, just hungry here. So cute. It's like a little barbecue place, backyard or something. So we had dinner at the Humble Jack, and initially we planned to sit by the stream, but the mosquitoes here were vicious. Even the salt fell, the mosquito repellent didn't help. Okay. So this is kale salad. This is I don't know, bacon, spaghetti, and chili or something, and that's pork chop. Pork chop was great, kale salad was good, but the pasta was way too bland, guys. I asked them to refly it for us, and then it got a little bit bitter. Very scary and very dark. Guys, so we just got back to our hotel, about to take a rest. And we just discovered that Our hotel is having like a small market here. It's so cute. So we're gonna check it out. And they also have this Iron Man movie on, but it's in Thai.
มันชื่ออะไรนะธานอสเป็นโรคมรณะด้วยการดวงดาววาง
So our hotel is here and they're having a small mini market here. It's really cute. We're just too tired and there's nothing much. So we're getting back to take a break. I just need some rest. Guys, good morning. We woke up pretty early, had breakfast, and checked out. I didn't eat much because honestly at home I usually just drink coffee in the morning. And then we headed to Tao Hong Thai Ceramic Factory. Tao Hong Thai Ceramics Factory. We had such higher expectations. It's basically just a ceramic distribution warehouse where the visitor can look around, nothing much to it, and there were random jars and furniture made of ceramics in a variety of incoherent colors, shapes scattered around this place. Anyway, I did find some unpainted ceramics in this warehouse, which were simple and pretty aesthetically pleasing, so now I'm pleased. Before leaving, I desperately needed coffee, so we stopped at a cafe called Gratom Inta. This place is stunning, guys. I'll let the visuals speak for themselves. We just ordered drinks. Kale smoothie. I got ice macadamia. I think today is the coldest day of the year in Thailand, but it will be colder in the northern part of Thailand. Right now it's around 26 degrees Celsius here. Nice weather, but we have a little bit of a noise pollution right now. Excuse the noise over there. There's a little construction. This kale smoothie is one of the best. Guys, this area is temporarily out of service. But I mean, I love this space. It's kind of hidden from the rest of the cafe, but I really love the bamboo craft here. Being a nerd again. Sen wants us to go back to Macam Home Cafe to make another necklace, and honestly there aren't many attractions in the city compared to Suan Hill area. The difference today was that the cafe was much busier since it was Sunday afternoon. This is the outcome. It's really simple, and Zen is doing necklace again. I think he went for kind of like a brown. Yeah, that's really nice. Before we started the 2-hour drive back to Bangkok, we stopped for lunch at this dim sum place.